Every year, some 29,000 patients undergo surgery at Baystate Medical Center, more than any other hospital in Western Massachusetts. In March, our new operating rooms and interventional suites opened to support our promise of meeting the critical healthcare needs of our community and to support the technical and clinical advances in the ever-changing world of surgery. Operations needing an overnight stay will be performed in this new space, including neurosurgery, cancer, cardiac, and trauma surgery. In the interventional suites, new state-of-the-art imaging and catheter-based technology will minimize open surgery and optimize procedures that involve the heart and brain. The needs of our patients were integral in the design, with enhanced privacy and space for loved ones to be close during phases of care. Baystate Health team members and everyone who has been involved in the planning and design have been focused on ensuring our patients have a great experience and the best possible outcome. For over a century, patients throughout Western Massachusetts and beyond have trusted Baystate Health with their care. Our new operating rooms and interventional suites will allow us to advance care and enhance lives for the people in our community well into the future.